To be honest, we have very little in our playtest. It's just a trunk with some blocks and maybe some eyeballs, and you can customize the height and the width. But people were immersed in it. It's pretty amazing, just like seeing. We just handed them the phone, or it was a tablet actually. We handed them it. They scanned the little photo at the bottom, and they were just looking up. They were like, "Whoa, my God, this tree is crazy!" And it's like the most basic tree ever. It's just, but like people just don't have like, I want to say too much like experience in AR. You know, it might be like Pokemon Go is the only augmented reality type of experience they have. But like seeing something else in their hands that they're able to use it's pretty cool. And I think that was the most immersive aspect about it, was what people liked.
So, how is the game project going? Like, how are the teams working together? How is the art going?
Yeah, so as of now, one of the first things we need to get done is that banner, obviously. We were just kind of throwing on it. We're concepting ideas right now. Having the UI team do that as a similar field, you know, doing the banners and such for the actual exhibit. As for the rest of the art team, we're doing like 3D modeling and the environments. We have about like a third of our models done for all plants, and we still have a long way to go and a lot of alien features to create. Other than that, once we have all the art, we're gonna have my programming team. We're gonna start implementing them into the actual project. Right now, we only have trees being built. We're gonna have flowers and like ferns/grasses. Those are gonna be implemented within this like next week here. That's basically the stuff we're working on right now, is plant models and then implementing them in. We're also going to need to figure out how to display live feeds of our iPads being used in AR to a screen, so like people in the queue line could be able to see that. A lot of programming stuff, honestly, right now. Not so much the art. The art is running smoothly, but the programming just got a lot of tasks just slammed on it. So that's what we're going to be focusing on.
Okay, cool.
Hi there, my name is Jeremy Gluck. I'm currently working on our banner design. All of my team members have been super nice and supportive. Everybody's really great. One of our team members just brought in donuts today. That was super nice. But I'd say as a team, we have great communication and work together really well.
Yeah. So we kind of got the verbal smackdown yesterday in our production class. It really wasn't that bad. I'm exaggerating, but it came down to either everything is in AR or nothing is in AR. And essentially what that came down to was we have certain virtual environments that we're working on right now for people, or at least we plan for people to, once they're done with their plant, they can put it in this garden that's displayed off to the side by 3 TVs. And we had like this set piece imagined for it. We were gonna have it look like the whole of like a space base. So you're looking out of these windows, but it's just, you know, the environment. I was excited for it, but David did bring up a good point in saying that, you know, there's this divide, this jump between focusing on creating a plant in AR and having it go off to the side to a place where you probably didn't notice it before. And it's, you know, it's that kind of whiplash, I suppose, for guests in seeing their plant, you know, go to a place that is beyond where they initially expected it to be, that I think is, you know, kind of reshaping our current goals and objectives. So right now we just want to keep everything in the present moment. I think the coolest thing for our guests, and especially since we didn't have the garden functionality, was that it was, quote unquote, in their world. That, you know, integrated reality was really exciting for them, and I think we just got to build on it.
So you're working on the alien, making it more alien.
Yep.
What else are you guys working on?
Right now, we are also in the process of redefining what we're doing for environments. It sounds like we're just focusing on one at the moment, and that's going to save us a lot of headaches because our initial plan here, you can see this is our generation map. What we've got initially are 3 environments. We had desert, mountains, and Arctic planned out. Right now, the only thing that is actually tangible in Engine is mountains, or lush, you know, it's just our standard environment. What's gonna happen is we're getting rid of these 2, and focusing on the core one and just having anything we want there. With these 2 different environments, since we didn't want like really weird color combinations or things that looked too clashy, we thought, oh, we'll have different color palettes people can, you know, kind of operate in depending on which environment they choose. Which is a good idea on paper, but I think by focusing on one environment and having all colors be possible, we are still emphasizing that alien idea while also cutting down literally 2/3 of the environment work we need to do. So it's this weird sort of feeling when we're rescoping because it is going to be less work. It is going to allow us more possibility, but we really are killing our our idea babies here. This is it's really hard to let go of some of the features that we've planned out, and I think honestly it's just something you kind of have to make peace with, especially this late in the game, I think.